Anybody wants to know how to make nachos? Here's what you do. You get a plate.
Oh, a
walk
plate.
over here. A plate. And you walk over here and you get all your chips. And then you take the meat and you move it all over the place. Like this. And then you get all your whatever this is. refried beans, right here. And then you come over here with your clean hands. And you take your cheese like so, just like this. And then you make a little tent with a towel, and you stick it in the microwave for 1 minute. You just put it on 1.
How many minutes?
1. And then the cheese will melt. And we'll have to wait.
What if you don't want melted cheese?
Should I do a dance?
Please don't.
What do you mean, please don't?
Okay, do a melting cheese then.
Take a picture of what
Hey,
goes
there's
on
so
the
many
top.
people. I did not know how to make nachos.
Can't take a picture
before
of
this.
this video.
1 minute time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so a minute's up.
I don't need to melt my cheese. I'm not going to melt
And
my
you
cheese.
bring it out.
Hold up the line.
And here's what you do. And then you take this, and you take any kind of, whatever those are, onions, and peppers, and olives, and green peppers, and then a little bit of sour cream,
Actually, yeah.
and then you take mild, please, topping.
I still eat it, but I just feel
Topping.
because cheese is so good. I can't
And
stop. I can't not eat
here
cheese,
is your
but-
nachos.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Christmas nachos.